Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up a virtual host for CodeIgniter on Windows. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to set up your own virtual host for your CodeIgniter projects. So let's get started. Open the hosts file on your Windows computer. You can find this file at c:/windows/system32/drivers/etc/hosts. Click the Window key plus the R key. Run dialog box will appear. Type the path c:/system32/drivers/etc/hosts on it and click OK. The following line to the hosts file. Replace mysite.local with the domain name you want to use for your CodeIgniter site. Save the file. Open the Apache configuration file. This file is typically located at c:/backslash/xampp/apache/httpd-conf single quote if you're using XAMPP. If you're using another web server software, the configuration file location may be different. Or you can open configuration file by click on Explorer. Click on Apache. Click on CONF. Click on Exter. Open httpd-vhosts on any text editor. Add the following code to the httpd-vhosts.conf file. Replace g:/code page/code_page/site/ with the path to your CodeIgniter installation folder. Save the changes to the httpd-vhosts.conf file. Open the config file of the CodeIgniter project stored inside the application folder. Assign your domain name as the base_URL variable and save the file. Restart Apache and MySQL. Open your web browser and navigate to your base URL or domain name. You should see your CodeIgniter site. And that's it. You have successfully set up a virtual host for CodeIgniter on Windows. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.